You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the way it is pronounced in French, and how to pronounce it in English. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the full name of the artist, including his first name, make sure to stay tuned. In French it's pronounced as Stael, Stael. So therefore in English you can simply pronounce it as Stael. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.